Hi everyone, in this video we'll create an invoice in using PHP with the FPDF library. Okay, it will be the end or the last result that we will generate. Okay, you can add your logo here, and we will create now this simple report or invoice in PHP with FPDF library. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to download this file. Okay, FPDF PHP file. We should come to fpdf.org to download section. After that, we will download the latest version. After downloading that we will include that in our directory. Okay, let's come. I'm using XAMPP server to XAMPP htdocs and come here to the test. See, I have downloaded all of that FPDF. Okay, so now we will use that. So let's start our coding now. So I came to this generate PDF file. Okay, we have this FPDF class which I have downloaded, and this is in the same directory. So now let's start our PHP script. So first of all, we need to import our FPDF class, FPDF to this folder and to the FPDF.php class. After importing that, so now we will use the A4 width or the A4 size. Okay, so for that I will write PDF is equal to new FPDF class. Okay, and we will pass here three things. First of all, the orientation should be portrait, and also in the unit should be in millimeter. Then the size, okay, the size should be A4 with us. Okay, after writing this, now we will create a page, PDF add page. Okay, after creating the page, so now let's set the font for our page. PDF set font, that should be Arial, the family, and the style would be bold, and the size would be 20 pixel. So now I will write the code for the header section, okay, which was invoice. So I will write the code for that. I wrote these 3 lines. Okay, these are for the title for the invoice. Now we will display that. Okay, first of all, it will create a cell, and it will take width from width, and this is the height, and this is the text, no text, and the border and the line. Okay, and at the third cell we took a line. Okay, we created one line. In this one we created a line. So now let's see it. Okay, we will display it, and you will see that how it looks like. PDF output. Okay, let's to the browser. We will go to localhost and go to the test folder. After that we will click on generate PDF. So now we will see we printed just this. Okay, first of all, the first cell was from this side to this, then the cell, this was the second cell, and the third cell one here. After that we took a new line. Okay, we took a new line. So now I will write the address of the invoice. Okay, the address and the customer ID and bill number. After that I wrote this code. After this, okay, we displayed this area. So now we created this code. Okay, the down code. Okay, this is the second line. Okay, and this is the third line, this is the fourth line, and the fifth line, and also the sixth line that we have printed the data. So now let's see it, how it looks like. Okay, we are just creating the cell, and let's refresh our page. It looks like this. Okay, it was the second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line, and it was the sixth line that we have created. So now let's check it. Okay, first of all, in the details, see, it was the first line, width in details. See, it was the gap, and after that we have native customer ID and blah blah. So native and the customer ID, it was the another line. It is another line that we have created. See it again, another line, and it was another, the last one line, this one. Okay, so now we will come to the to print the table. Okay, so to print the table, let's write the code for the table. So now I wrote this area, okay, this code, okay, it is for new line and it is the header, okay, the table header that we would like to print. We have this SL and it is will come to the center, description, quantity, unit price, sales, text and total. These mean center. Okay, these cells mean that is the width, height and the text and the line, the border, the line and the align means center, left or right. These are the properties of a cell. So now let's see the header of the table. Let's refresh our page. See, it is the header of the table we have printed. So now we will print the data. For the data we will use for loop. Okay, we will go through that and we will print our data. It is the data that we would like to print. Okay, we used a for loop for 10 times. We would like to print 10 rows and we have these data, HP left off, and these are the price, okay, that we have printed. For every line it will print these data for us. Okay, first of all number, then the first time the number, then the description, okay, again the quantity, then the unit price, then the sales text, then the total. It will print all of these. So now let's refresh it. See, we have printed the data here. So now we will print the total. So for the total, let's write the code. So this code is for the total. Okay, this code, it is for the subtotal that we would like to print. You will use the calculation and to print that in real-time application. Okay, so now let's save it and let's come check it. See, it is the subtotal that we have printed. Also you can print the footer and whatever you want, you can play with it. Okay, so we use the cell in using FPDF and we are printing data in that cell. Okay, so it was all about creating invoice in PHP with FPDF library. So if you have liked this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and like this video and comment down, and thanks for watching.